lovely viewers, good day everyone, and welcome to Harmless TV. Yes, my lovely people, another matter don't see the shell again. Yes, so this one they come out for inside Ghana. So maybe small matter. They say one prophet, so when the prophet have been a pastor, they call him, they say he don't buy you, waiting by this man. They say now water swallow him, or water just swallow this man for nothing sake. For inside river, now this man die put. How manage when it can't say go river, go die? Waiting happen. According to them, my people, they say this man in name na Sofo after when he be say he get church when they call Prayer Life Church when based for Ofosi Ayesua Koko for Ashanti region. They say this man they always they go inside river, go they do incantations, they doing rituals. So for this time now, he can still go inside river. Go still they do incantation. They say you not go alone, in go with two of the junior pastors. As they reach there, they say the man carry 2 bottles of olive oil. So as they reach, he can tell the 2 junior pastors make them wait for him. Now so the man can enter water. They say the man go to the middle of the sea. Now there he go stand, middle of the sea. He go there. Go open the olive oil. They do incantations. They speak. They do in juju. Now juju we they call it now incantations. Waiting we won't call it again. They speak Arab. They do what you want to do for inside the river. So there's the 2 pastors now. They can't stand for the corner of the river. Come they look and they watch and they see as they come. They see look the man. The man just they do the incantations after he don't open the olive oil. They say before you know, the man can't enter inside water. It can't be like say he they swim. So then they not to understand what can they happen quick. Before then they go experience what they happen. Now they say person when they swim, you know go bring his head come up again. We not come see what they happen. They not see this man again. No water don't swallow this man. Before una go know, my lovely people, the 2 pastors now so they can't run, they go. Come they tell people say see wetin happen no. Before you know, my police can carry those 2 pastors, so they can't hold them so that they go still know some kind issues, can find evidence through them. My lovely people, this matter we don't know wetin we go call them again. How manage when it be say pastor been a prophet, he go wear red cloth, can't go inside water, go they do incantations. Maybe juju be that. As they ask questions, so because we know what in red cloth mean. I want to make una open una eyes. I beg my lovely people. Anybody when it be say they go church, make you know the kind of church when they go. They look them, they look the way they do, the way they behave, their appearance, even their dressing and their speech when they come out for their mouths. Through that one now you go say no, the true man of God. Never be saying I shoot birds in mama fly. Because people don't already talk and say by their fruit you shall know them. So make una know they follow the miracles, the prophecies, and many of them now fake prophecy now they give, fake prophets now they be. Many of them are devil that they worship. After all, native daughter they see road, mama water they see road. So waiting go make you cannot differentiate the 2. You're supposed to understand the one when be God's own and the one when be evil person own. So before the matter go get as it be, my lovely people, make I just read and come out for una so that una go judge this matter. I beg make una not forget to drop una comments and make una subscribe to my YouTube channel when they call Harmless TV, and then also they follow me on my Facebook page when be Joyce Dan. So I try read and come out so that una go feel and wear waiting the shell for inside this matter. So okay. So I beg next time if una dey go church, make una know the kind church when una dey go, because the matter now e don dey turn leg concerning fake prophets, fake pastors. They go inside water, they go inside forest, they go anywhere. You know, make una just they know una way. They very very important. I don't know the kind money when person go dey find when it be say he go involve himself with all those kind bad spirits. There's every day for thief, one day for the owner. This matter, we won't first laugh before, but I don't laugh. Why? Because person life they involved. This matter carry person life. So what we go do so that next time people no go fall into this victim. Na advice now we dey give o. So abeg, if you know say your hand dey for bad thing, abeg comot your hand for inside bad thing. After all, if you die, you no dey carry all this money dey go anywhere o. You go leave am for ground. Na other people dey go enjoy am, while you go fire go burn to ashes, burn forever. So abeg, you know what am, make una know as una go take dey do something. Abeg, I take God take beg una, because human being life e dey very very precious to me, and it dey very very important. Okay, so the matter as they come take dey announce am, they say residents of Ofinso in the Ashanti region has been thrown into a state of mourning on Tuesday morning, July 6, 2021, when a pastor of the town allegedly drowned in Ofinso River in the process of performing some rituals. According to information available, Modern Ghana News, now he talk this one. He said the founder and the leader of Prayer Life Church at Ofinso, Ayesua Koko, Prophet Atta, on that fateful day, in a complaint of his 2 junior pastors, were said to have gone to the Ofinso River to perform certain rituals locally called the Akwankyere. You get rituals that they call Akwankyere. We don't know what it mean, no. I beg some Ghana people, make una drop una comment, make una let us know what in this kind of rituals be. Whether na pastors, have been a prophet they perform, or na people when they go church they perform. So make una let us know that one. They said the source intimidated that while at the riverside, the deacon pastor was said to have taken 2 bottles of anointing oils and walked into the middle of the river. The deacon pastor reportedly instructed the 2 junior pastors to wait for him at the bank of river. According to the 2 pastors who were observing their head pastor in the middle of the river, the deacon pastor opened the bottle of anointed oil and started chanting. The 2 pastors said to their amazement, the deacon's man of God fell into the water as if he was swimming. But after surfacing the second time, he was never seen again. As he entered inside water, the first see him, he come out, but later they not come see him again. He disappeared from inside water. This, according to them, prompted them to report the case to the police. After they had waited for long, hoping the deacon's pastor will pop up. They don't wait tired, the man not come out. Now they go report the case to the police. So the chief and elders of the town performed customs to appeal the river god. The body of the pastors were later retrieved after it pumped up on top of the river. The 2 junior pastors don't come out, go call police. So before you know, now people come for the water, come they find the dead body. They say before you know, now so dead body just still come out for inside the river. The body has been deposited at Komfo Anoke Teaching Hospital for autopsy, so that they go know how manage intake died. At the time of filing the report, the 2 assistant pastors who accompanied the deacon's man of God to the Ofinso River have been picked up by the police to assist with investigations. According to rumors, the deacon pastor was found of visiting River Ofinso at all times. Some town folks allege that they have spotted deacon pastor many times driving his car into the river. Even maybe the first time, the man also don't they go in that river, go they perform some kind of rituals. And they say they even see himself when he be say sometimes if he come, he go even drive in car, enter inside the water. So my lovely people, this matter it get as it be. I beg, I tell God to the beg. Those of now when I know say they follow devil way. Na bad thing, na not say na bad thing, na they follow that kind of bad thing way, make una change. Because all these things no go lead una to anywhere. I don't know whether na money na they find, no. I been to win souls, they give devil na dey find. But my lovely people, this matter e go take una to only hellfire. No matter the money wey you dey find or the souls wey you dey find, how much when devil wan come pay you, even though say you finish paying yourself, you go still go burn yourself for hellfire. So there is no need. If you know say you dey do bad thing, abeg no mix up. You rather change, come up for that bad thing before you go answer pastor or prophet, because our God not dey lie you, and our God no be stupid God. When he be say you go dey do bad thing to use until they deceive people, he go dey look you. If he give you time or make it for take change, but if you not change, now that time he go come let you know say na him be God. And you people when be son and they go church, abeg look before you leap. Make sure you know the kind of church when you dey go. Pray before you go start any church, so that God go lead you to the right church, so that you no go put your legs, step your feet on all these kind demonic churches when it be say that they perform rituals, they call and say na prophecy or na miracle. So na so the matter be, my lovely people. Make una drop una comment, make we know wetin dey for una mind, how una see this matter, how una reason am. I talk am again. So make una no dey forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the notification bell so you be notified anytime I upload new video or I'm on live stream, for you to still add your own contribution, because we are here to learn. No one is perfect. So thank you and bye for now.